Okay, it is Monday, July 8th, 2019. It's about 11:45 a.m. and I'm going to do a startup and shutdown of both units today. Got them both shut off right now. So for the York, I'm just going to go with the disconnect box set up for both startup and shutdown. Alright, so there it went. So yeah. Give me a little trouble just like always. Had to turn it back on and turn it down to 73, so I don't really like doing this, as I've said before. So that's why I only do it once a year. But yeah. And also something that's funny I'm going to talk about real fast. My brother's girlfriend is coming here to my house on Thursday, and she's going to be here for the weekend, so it's going to be kind of weird. I mean, that's not going to affect any videos, obviously, but just figured I'd mention it because it's kind of funny. So yeah, this is a 2001 2.5 ton, as you guys know. So yeah, I guess I'll shut it off and then we'll do the Guardian next. Alright, so for the Guardian, I'm going to try a new setup. I'm going to get my tripod and set it like right here, like I've been doing with a lot of units around my neighborhood and stuff with startups and stuff, so yeah. Alright, so there's the startup. Hopefully that turned out. I think it did, because my GoPro doesn't really pick up like wind noise very well, so that's what I like about it. I think the microphone is on the back, so the wind doesn't really, from the fan, doesn't really hit it. So yeah, I don't think I've ever done that before. I may have a long time ago. So yeah, this is a 4-ton from 2007, again, as you guys know. That's cold and that's outdoor temperatures. So yeah, the only thing I don't like about this unit is some micro channel coils, obviously. But other than that, and they want the train. So, alright, let's go shut it off. Hopefully the train doesn't interfere. I don't think it will. Alright, so there you go. There's the mid-summer startup and shutdown of both my units. So there's a nice look at the Bristol compressor and the Guardian. So yeah. I don't know if I'm going to do any more startup and shutdowns on my units this summer, but if that was the last one, then I guess next time you guys see a startup and shutdown, or a startup will be the first startup. But I kind of don't think that. Or for Christmas, you know, if it's not cold enough for a defrost, I might do a startup and shutdown again like I did last year. So yeah. Anyways, I guess over and out.